Calling cards. In mountainous areas, the erosion caused by ice has modeled landscapes of loose stones called scree. At first glance, they look barren of life, but actually they are home to some fascinating flora and fauna. When the temperature grows milder, some agile and amusing rodents scamper over these granitic rocks. These are European snow voles, which live in the main mountain chains on the Eurasian continent, always at altitudes of more than 1,000 meters. Snow voles are specially adapted to live among the rocks. To that end, they have a longer tail than other voles, and long, thick, tactile hairs called vibrissae on their snouts. The males, as is the case with most mammals, are territorial and mark their territories with urine. Surprisingly, their territories overlap, which leads to frequent encounters that, curiously, usually aren't aggressive. So why bother to mark their territory? Dr. Juan José Luque and Dr. Pilar Lopez are working to discover just what kind of messages these smelly marks may contain. They have confirmed that when an intruder runs into the vole who marked the territory, he recognizes the owner, and the encounter is much less violent than when two males bump into each other and neither has marked the territory. So the scented signals serve both as a calling card and as a way for any male to know just who is the true owner of the territory, which makes each vole's position clear and reduces the fighting among them. But the snow vole's chemical signals also play a sexual role. The researchers have confirmed this with an experiment involving the selection of a mate. They designed a Y-shaped room, and they placed a sample of a different male in each branch. They placed a group of females at the other end and observed their behavior. They didn't seem to have many doubts when they reached the crossroads. Most of the females chose the smell of certain males. But the most interesting thing is that the scents they preferred corresponded to males with specific characteristics. For example, their body shapes were more symmetrical, as was proven by taking a series of biometric measurements. What's more, blood tests revealed that the preferred males were healthier and in better physical shape. Among snow voles, it seems essential to introduce yourself unambiguously to your rivals and prospective mates. Their calling cards are truly full of all kinds of details about the owners, in this case, fragrantly coded.